Our next fully hands-on tiny house building workshop with the Diedrichson brothers is going to be in North Carolina. Check out relaxshacks.com for details and the speaker listing, or check out the description below. Also below in the description, a 10% off discount code for the Envy Tiny House Heater. Check it out. Hey, what's up, Deke? Relaxshacks.com here at the 3rd Annual Tiny House Festival with Suzy Beckwith. So we're checking out her tiny house. I didn't get to see it last year when it was in the building process, and you invited me over and I felt bad, and this year we made it over here. And I love it. Yeah. It's awesome. So congratulations. And you more or less built and designed this by yourself?
I did in 38 days.
38 days? So not only building it and designing it yourself is that like impressive, but in 38 days that's pretty awesome.
And under budget.
Under budget?
My budget was $20,000, I spent 17.
That's pretty awesome. And that's a story right there that I feel is particularly inspiring to a lot of people out there, because some of the houses are getting really expensive. Can you take us around this place? Because it's funky, it's kind of reflects your funky character.
So Frog is the name of my house. Fully rely on God, which I did to build it. My couch pulls out a little bit longer so you can put your feet up or have a wider bed to sleep on. 6 feet of storage underneath it.
Nice.
My stairs.
Tell the story behind these, it's kind of fun.
So I had no idea, but I put them in upside down because who knew?
The stringers, you could cut her upside down.
But they fit better and they work better, and yeah, those are my stairs.
I like how they kind of flare outward, making it a little easier to get in your bed as well.
They're nicknamed the Dr. Seuss stairs.
The Doctor, yeah. Susian, I think people call it, yeah. I see a lot of frogs with the motif, you know,
yeah, you gotta have the frog.
The frog alarm clock, does it rivet when it goes off?
It does.
Does it? Really? I was joking. That's pretty cool.
It does.
Tell us about your kitchen here, because this is very fun, from the countertops to your grain, spice, and all that storage.
This is my pantry. I screwed the lids to the ceiling, and then you just unscrew them when you want whatever.
My grandfather used to do a different version of that with nuts and bolts.
And that's
hardware.
what my dad did, yeah.
Yes, yeah, it looks cool.
This is my DVD countertop. Can't use CDs because...
Those are DVD?
Yeah, CDs don't have color in them, so you have to use DVDs, and then I resined on top of them.
That's very clever.
Yeah.
Had you seen that before, like, honestly, or is it like, is it a Pinterest thing? Yeah.
Yeah, I saw a woman do it on her table, and I was like, oh, that's really cool. I'm gonna do it on my countertop.
Yeah, I really like that. I never would have known, actually.
I did that, and then great storage under my stairs, my refrigerator, freezer, my cool pocket door.
Yeah, that's actually adds. You have a lot of kind of industrial things here, from the metal roofing and siding, which I like, but that's a nice touch of some natural wood in there.
Right. Bathroom walls are done on the cedar from the outside of my house. That's what I had left over. And I made a DIY composting urine diverter toilet for $7.
For $7?
Yeah.
Cheaper than the store brand, right?
So there's a mess in here. But this is my full-size shower. Messy.
It's a good sized bathroom in there too.
It is.
I gotta add.
I really wanted a good size, and it's also my reading nook when I'm...
When you want to be left alone?
Yeah.
Your study.
Yeah.
What's the weight in this overall, do you know?
8,140 pounds.
What do you pull it with? Oh, you have some stories about this, you were telling me.
I don't pull it. Professionals pull it. F350, F250, or a Ram 2500 have pulled it.
Yeah.
Coming home from the first festival, my tower lost my house 3 miles from festival, and it traveled down the road by itself. Yeah, so
and ground the tongue of it to almost nothing, you told me.
Yes, it did. Had to have my chains welded back on, but we were able to drive it home. The worst or best part of the story is when we got it home, the guy said, uh-oh. I said, nope, I don't want to know. He said, I think you should know. So the pin holding the hitch to the truck was missing. So we think when it fell off the initial time, that fell off. But somehow him probably kept it all together, and we made it home.
So somehow the house itself wasn't really damaged?
So my front storage unit was demolished.
Oh, okay.
And my hitch and my chains, but that was it. It was built Suzy tough.
So the moral of the story is hire someone who knows what they're doing, has a track record of moving tiny houses or large structures, or that might happen.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
And you'll never go that route again.
Yes.
Lesson learned.
Yes.
Talk about the loft here.
So I have storage that goes all the way around my bed with lids on it. It was initially to keep the cat out.
Okay.
You can climb up there if you want.
Let's see if he's got the camera skills to climb and film.
Nice. I have 3 windows that open up there. I also have a storage loft behind you.
I love the tongue and groove roof.
Thank you.
It's very cleanly done. You got some skills.
So my initial ceiling was the shed roofing in there. But one night I was laying in bed and this gigantic lizard leg came out the side of my ceiling. Pretty scary. So my neighbor removed him, and then I thought, okay, I need a ceiling that goes all the way to the wall.
Yeah, okay.
So I changed it, and then it looked so good I had to change my walls too. So I did that too.
Well, it's nice and clean and light, so it brings a lot of light and bounces a lot of light in this space here as well. I like your window selection, everything. You got kind of like a little fold-up table here, office /
2 of them.
dining spot. Oh, back there as well.
I
Okay.
cut my $25 IKEA table in half. Yeah.
I did one of those once, mounted
And then
in
I
half.
have a stick that goes in and holds up the leaf.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, it's a beautiful house, and for $70,000, it's certainly impressive.
Yeah.
And I hope it inspires some other people
If
out
I
there.
can do it, you can do it.
That's right. That's one of the reasons I want to come over here. I'm like, her house is funky, it's fun, it's cool. She did it herself. She did it cheaply.
Awesome.
Like check, 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 check.
Right.
Equals awesomeness. So thank you, Suzy, so much.
Thank you very
Appreciate
much.
it. Good seeing
Yeah,
you too,
you
as
too.
always. Can they check you out anywhere online?
FrogLiveTiny.com, or you can follow me on Facebook at Go Live Tiny Facebook page. And
You look
on
like you
Instagram.
weren't certain about that. You're
yeah,
like,
I had to think for a minute. And then I'm on Instagram.
/ confusion.
Suzy Frog Live Tiny on Instagram.
Okay, Suzy, thank you. Good seeing you.
Yeah, you too. Thanks for coming.
No, thank you for having us in your home.
Yeah.
Cool. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.